An intense traffic stop quickly escalated into chaos when a suspect refused lawful orders, leading to a physical confrontation with officers. The individual now faces multiple charges, including battery and resisting arrest. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Nice,
I see you over there.
I know I'm stealthy. I'm like a ninja.
You over there. Going to work. We both work. He works at Legacy. I work at.
Oh, okay, I'll go let him know. Hey there.
We work at. I'm on wait until she's finished what she was doing.
Okay, she didn't stop for a stop sign. What's the attitude for?
There's no attitude. I said, okay, all right. What's your attitude for?
I don't have an attitude, man.
Okay, well, I don't have an attitude.
Why don't you go ahead and you need to pull forward, okay? Since we want to have attitudes, you're not going to stand here while we conduct our traffic stop,
I can stay here. I pull over to the side of the road.
So,
right?
no, you're in our immediate vicinity. You're going to pull forward.
No, I'm not. I'm feet away from you.
You're giving it a lawful order right now. So if you don't pull forward, you're going to go to jail. Pull forward right now.
Order?
Pull forward.
Where's your supervisor?
I am the supervisor. Pull forward.
Well, I can speak to your other
Turn your vehicle
supervisor.
off and give me your driver's license now.
I'm not giving you nothing.
Pull your...
I ain't did nothing. I pulled over to make sure.
Open your door. Open the door. Open the door.
Now, window's down. You just not gonna
open the door. Step out of the vehicle.
You move away from
You're being given a lawful order. Open the door right now.
Can you step away from my vehicle?
No.
Or you call your supervisor.
Sir?
Do not put your head, sir. Wow. Do not.
Get out of the car.
Why are you attacking me? I thought
Get out of the car.
Bro, do not touch me. I did not do nothing. Do not touch me.
Put your hand.
Can you lift your head up?
Nervous, get over here. Stop right now.
I did not do
Get out of the car.
Stop.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car now.
Can you get your head out of the car?
Get out of the car.
I'm stopped. Stop. Can you release me and talk together? I'm recording you.
Open it.
Release me. Open the door. My one is another recording. Stop. This motherfucker.
Stop. Open the door. Open it now.
Can you give me a second? Oh my God.
Open the door now, or you're gonna get it again. Get out now.
This motherfucker.
Turn around. Get on the ground now.
This motherfucker.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Lay down. Lay down.
I'm asking for a second, and this man keeps tasing me. Oh my God! Come back. I'm gonna sue the out of you guys. Oh my God! I'm gonna sue the out of you guys. This is crazy, bro. I'm gonna have your badge, bro.
You're given a lawful order, and you defied it.
I'm gonna have your badge.
That's fine, man.
All right,
Sit up.
you guys see this man illegally put his hand in my car for no reason. Where's the supervisor? Wow. Honey, I got you. See this, right? Bro, get your hand off the stop. Stop. Can you help me? Tell him get it.
We're not doing this. Check his pockets. Lean forward.
You notice I'm not resisting you, right? And you keep
pushing back.
I'm not pushing backwards. I ain't said moving. You searching me? Do you feel me moving? Well, that's what he had to do, because I ain't moving.
He's good.
I'm going to work. Why would I have weapons on me?
Take him.
Where am I going? I want to stand, please. I want to stand.
Sit down.
Sir, can I stand, please? As a courtesy, can I stand, please? I don't want to sit up right now. I ask you as a courtesy, can I stand, please?
Have a seat. All right? Have a seat. All right?
I need your badge number.
It'll be on your arrest paperwork. His wife is a lot nicer than him.
I was calm. I sit in my car with this man here.
This suspect was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting with violence, assault on law enforcement officers, resisting without violence, and failure to obey a law enforcement officer. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.